Did you hear that, everybody? I have lots of hidden qualities. Hello and welcome to the vlog. This is already 4 o'clock, but I just thought I would turn on the camera, which is my phone because I forgot my camera. And we are going out to, wow, this car is driving so slow. The notorious, I guess it's only notorious if you watch Russell Peters. We're going to the Pacific Mall, and oh my gosh, this person is like driving so slow. It's like literally our favorite place. And I'm looking for some bowls. I know that sounds funny. Bowls and some more glass spoons. And maybe we'll get a few snacks there. Andrew, what did you watch that happened? Oh, it was a YouTube video. A YouTube video about this place in Pacific Mall. Anyways, it should be fun, although they just got raided like a month ago for all their fake knockoffs. So it won't be as good as it usually is, but it'll still be fun. And while I'm in the car, I'm going to start editing my video. Woohoo! Here we are. Is this your favorite place?
It's one of my favorite places.
It's one of my favorite places too. And who introduced you to this cool place?
Russell Peters.
Oh, no, I did, you liar. I brought him here.
She did.
I am much cooler than I think I appear.
I'd advocate for that.
Or at least I like cool things, which people probably don't think I do.
Laura-Lee projects basic white girl, but has a lot of hidden qualities.
It's true. Did you hear that, everybody? I have lots of hidden qualities.
It's not your fault.
You're so sweet. I've never done these. I haven't. Yeah, it is really nice. Yeah, I don't think it's my 30s, like mine would be. There's so many places like they don't have the ones like we have, but these are kind of $11.99 for one. No way! Holy cow! This thing feels like it's gonna break. Ooh la la! Oh my gosh! This is my favorite store. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, look at these. Andrew.
Oh, yeah. We need that for dipping stuff. His salsa.
I love this place. Did you see what we need? We're over here. Oh, here. Not much better of a selection. Yeah, so I'm making Taiwanese beef noodle soup, and we're having people over, my sisters, and we don't have enough big bowls. So we gotta get some. And we have these 2 really nice big bowls, but we only bought 2 at the time. And so now we're having 6 people, and we don't have enough big bowls, so, or glass spoons. So we gotta do that. And this is the best place to get them.
It's 99 cents.
I feel like that's very
Well, I couldn't find anything else.
so funny. We have 2 flies that just are living in our house. What are you eating? What is that?
It's a Chinese hamburger.
Let's see. What does it look like? What is that on there?
Pork?
And what? Cold noodles. Cold sesame noodles. How is it?
Good.
After Andrew eats this, we're gonna go get some bubble tea, which is like my new favorite thing. I've always drank I always thought that it was like fruity. I always got this mango slush and called that bubble tea, but apparently I was not doing it right, and it's like actually, it's milk tea, right? Milk tea, and it blew my mind. But the problem is it's like so many calories. How many calories do you think is in milk tea?
Beats me.
Like a lot. Like a lot. So it's a treat. So since we're here in the spirit of the Pacific Mall, I have to get a milk tea. Have to.
Tea regular with tapioca.
Regular has no sugar for those.
Yes, regular. Wait till I get it.
Yummy. Thank you. What?
welcome.
Why are you laughing?
Not.
You're laughing at me. Why?
Discover it.
It's also like very inconvenient that we bought this fly swatter because it's very hard to carry. Yes, and it took me a long time to like milk tea. But I don't like milk in general, typically. Do I like it? That's funny.
This one too.
That's funny.
If
I
only,
think I have
if only we knew what it said.
that one. I need to make that. If only we knew what it said. If somebody knows what this says, can you please translate it in the comment section down below?
No, it's good.
Okay, so really quickly, I'm gonna show you what we picked up. You already saw the bowls, but I will show you and the fly swatter. Oh, I found the fly! I almost smacked Andrew's head with this. Okay, that would have been so funny. Okay, so we got all this at Ding Dong. Oh no, that's, Ding Dong was something else. That is for a different video. This is from just, what's it called? The Best Shop. That's what it was, the Best Shop. Okay. So, we picked up these little sauce bowls. These are so cute. And I got two different styles. I got that one and that one. I think they're really, really cute.
So Walter's like, thanks.
Walter.
Walter's scared of this.
Are you scared? Are you scared of it? Hi, wiggle butt. Wally. Walter. Wiggle your butt. Walter. Hey, where's the sixth one? Oh, there it is. Oh, here. Was not wrapped up. Washed those. Okay, so then we have more glass or ceramic spoons. If you have never eaten soup with a ceramic or glass spoon, you definitely need to try because the metal has a funny taste. Eat soup with a metal spoon and then eat it with a glass spoon and you will taste the difference. And then we got these bowls, which I think are really nice. Obviously, I love plain, but I really like blue and white pattern, as you can tell from some of my accents. But yeah, so these were $5.99 and these were $1.49, I think. I think these were like 89 cents or something, so that was nice.
No, he doesn't mind it now. He was scared of it at first. Hold it up like you're about to.
Like I'm about to what?
I don't know. He didn't like it before. Is he scared now?
He like wants to attack it. Oh, there's a fly here. I found it. It's here. Oh, it just flew out of the family. It flew out of the kitchen.
Which way? Oh.
I'm gonna make dinner now because I have not eaten. And I'm gonna make breakfast for dinner. I got this really good deal on all of these sausages for 10 bucks. There's like 4 packs in here. There's 32 sausages. So maybe I'll make a package of these and I can have some for tomorrow. Oh, it's in the kitchen. Ah! Ooh, it's right there. It's up there. Now it's there. I just swatted the fly, one of them. Ew, did you pick it up with your finger? Ew, don't give it back to me.
No, hold the handle. I need to wash my hands.
This has a back scratcher. I don't know if I'll ever use that.
Okay, you got one.
We got one, but I don't know where the second one is. Maybe the second one already died. Anyways, back to my dinner. I'm gonna make these sausages, some eggs, and coffee, and then I've got to teach in about, oh my gosh, that scared me. Hi, family photo, ow. And then I've got to teach in like an hour. Fun. It is midnight now, and I just finished teaching, and I realized I never finished the vlog. So this is the ending. I'm gonna go to bed now. I'm really tired because I have to be up early and teach again tomorrow. So I will see you for another day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I will see you again for another video.